We got the Hellcat Cuda outside for its first maiden voyage. We got no power steering right now. We're figuring out the wiring for our electric power steering rack. So we'll be cranking it quite hard, and we won't be going crazy with it today. But the car's outside, it's all buttoned up. We checked all the nut and bolts, so fingers crossed everything holds up. But yeah, the Hellcat Cuda, I'm sure you guys have been following along with the build. It's got an 800 horsepower Redeye motor that we got from Cleveland Motorsports. And we got a whole 2020 rear subframe assembly with the suspension out of a wrecked Hellcat Redeye in the rear. This thing is just decked out with just too much stuff that I can tell you about. So I think I shouldn't be saying anymore. I think we should just hop in and go for a quick little test drive. What do you think? Let's do it. It should fire up with the, we got the black key, so hopefully everything works. So we have two keys. We have a red key, which I gave to our manager, Dave, and I got the valet key right here. So we'll see if it fires up and go for a little test drive. Sounds a little loud right now because we got the exhaust gates open, and just sounds better that way, so why not, right? Everything looks good here. I got the dashboard is kind of nice. That way we can check our vitals and everything. We'll go to our gauges. We'll let that load up so we can check our oil pressure, our coolant temps and everything. Oh, right now we temporarily wired our fan up to the switch on the dash. So I got a little note here, so we'll turn that on. It will be wired in to the factory wiring harness eventually, but we haven't got there yet. And am I forgetting anything else? We got a vent in our gas cap open. So I think we're good to go. Take it easy, we'll take it slow. It's Maiden Voyage. We got the ABS unit out of the 2020 Challenger installed as well, but we got to have it programmed. I might need you to be my hand signals if we do need to make a turn. Hear the rocks chirping up. We haven't done a good alignment yet, just a rough alignment. But here we are going down the street. I got no rearview mirror. So this is the first time we're rolling down the road. Everything feels good. The steering wheel's on a little bit of an angle. We got some engine lights on the dash here. We haven't cleared any of those yet. Coming up to a stoplight here, we'll just make sure we got brakes. But this is pretty cool. I've been working pretty heavily on this car for the past 2 years now, so this is a big achievement for us. Tire pressure sensor monitors are going off. This guy's going to be coming through. We have brakes, so that is good. This should be loading here. Hopefully that'll load. We'll go down here, we'll make a turn. Hear a little bit of rubbing in the rear end, but we got to adjust the coilovers in the front and the suspension in the rear, but man, this is pretty awesome. Feels good. Got oil pressure, coolant temps. So far, so good. Martin, the owner, was going to come down today for this, but he knew we were going to have to address a lot of things, and he didn't want to get in our way, but I'm sure he's going to see this video, and this will make him really happy. After this, we're going to tear it all apart, put it back on the rotisserie, get it into the body shop for body and paint. It's wide body. This Cuda is insane. It's a 73 Cuda with full 2020 Challenger Redeye crate motor that we got from Cleveland, like I said. And we're driving it, man. Clank, clank. We got no sound deadening or anything in here. the steer. That was a success. Do we have reverse? We have reverse. Give it a little rev now that it's warmed up. Oh, we got coolant temp goes up to 210. Then the fans kick on and lowers down. So pretty cool. That's that. Success.
Beauty.
Right on, man. That's awesome. I wish this was my car, man.